All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to, let me get this video, bow, here we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is a 2500 high top, long wheelbase with 15,000 miles. Power windows, power door locks, super nice black vinyl interior. Best of all, minimal damage. Go real quick. Your front bumper, let's focus in. Pow. All right, as you can see, your front bumper does have a scuffing or a dent here. 3, 6, about 9 inches. Boom. The rest of the bumper looks pretty nice. Does have some scuffings here on this panel. Some more on this one. All right, but the rest look pretty decent. Coming around. Actually, I left my thing over there. 1 second. All right, guys. Got my my measuring tool. All right, hood looks good, fender looks good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel, and your tire third here is at almost at 630 seconds. This door looks okay. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have a dent right there, as you can see. I took here, so it got a took the molding. The molding's still there, but it has a dent there, as you can see. Here's your rear driver's side rim or steel wheel. And your tire third is, let's see, tire third is at 830 seconds. Got some scuffing here on this door, on this molding. Other than that, we look pretty good. You got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest. Boom, as you can see. Let me jump into this vehicle, but first let me show you, it does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. All right, you got your AM, FM stereo system. You got your AC controls right down below. You got cup holders down here. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 15,475. Looking good. Boom. Keep it moving. Coming around, I showed this tire. Keep it moving. Back here, we got a couple of it's like a gouge right there. Very nice. Lights are working up top. Nice. This door panel looks good. Normally they look all beat up, but this one is nice. All right. Likewise here with this panel. So you can see that one's nice. And the doors swing all the way out. This is what your cargo area looks like from the trunk. From the back here. Very nice. Yeah. These wheel moldings, wheel wells look good. Good. All right, and this one looks good. And here on this molding, you can see it's got some scuffing here. And here it's got some scuffing with a dent, as you can see right there. Which kind of came from this way, boom, and took a hit there. The door moves, opens and closes well. You know what I mean? It's just that I got that dent right there with some scuffing on the door molding, on the wheel well molding. Here's your rear rear passenger steel wheel, and your tire third is at 6. Oh, what the hell? And your tire third is at 730 seconds. Here's your sliding door. Here's your slide. Get out of here. Here's what that looks like. This guy being bad. This guy side looks good. Boom. And your front passenger seat looks good. I don't see any dents or anything. No holes, no tears, no rips. This color looks good. This looks good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel, and your tire third is at 530 seconds. Double check that. That's at 530 seconds, as you can see there. All right. Pretty good. I thought I saw 2 dings, 2 little dingies there. Little chippy there. All right. Lights are working, top and headlights. Let me get my ladder so we can go up there and see what's going on. 1 second, guys. All right, we're back. Got some scuffings here. I'm not thinking there's dents. There's just some scuff. Oh, there's a dent on that side over there. But this here is just some scuffs and a small dent on that side. Give me a second, I'll get off this ladder. Actually, guys, it does not have a dent over here. As I thought it did, but it doesn't. I'm looking at it down. I'm looking at it up from all angles. Maybe a dent there. Maybe there it is. See where that light is? Right there. Boom. There's a dent there. The rest of it looks pretty good. All right. This banner. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Ram ProMaster 2500 high top long wheelbase with 15,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.